Hey you guys, it's Shundara. What is up? And welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe to the channel, make sure you thumbs up this video, and make sure you're following me on all my social media sites. And in today's video, we will be talking about dupes for The Ordinary's Niacinamide 10% plus zinc. So we're going to be talking about a little bit of my favorite dupes and the ones I've tried. So the first one I want to talk about is PAULAS Choice 10% Niacinamide Booster. So this one is a little bit on the expensive side. For 0.67 ounces it will run you $44. I mean, The Ordinary should be a dupe for it, but this product will run you $44. For me personally, I always get a sample. For some odd reason, I ran out of my sample of the 10% niacinamide booster, and I was looking online to see if I could get another travel size at PAULAS Choice. You guys, they don't even sell travel sizes no more of the niacinamide 10% booster at PAULAS Choice. So I don't have a clue what's going on, but I actually really enjoyed this product. I would actually alternate between this one and The Ordinary's niacinamide. When I personally felt the niacinamide from The Ordinary wasn't working, I will always go to PAULAS Choice's 10% niacinamide. It's just a really great product in my opinion. It is a little bit stronger than The Ordinary's product. I noticed for me personally that The Ordinary's niacinamide does a lot of foaming. I really haven't experienced that with the PAULAS Choice niacinamide. I don't know why I never experienced it foamy the way The Ordinary's product does. So, you know, I guess when you pay a little bit more money, you get a way better product in performance, if you ask me. Okay, so the second dupe for The Ordinary's Niacinamide Serum that I really want to talk about and I actually truly love is actually one of my favorites. And when it comes to dupes for Ordinary's products, especially sold out ones, I think they're really becoming a leader of the skincare space in general when it comes to dupes for The Ordinary, and that is the Inky List of Niacinamide Serum. I actually wanted this to be first, but you know, we just had to get the expensive product out of the way. But honestly, this one is actually my favorite niacinamide serum. No, I should have saved it for last. Save the best for last. But you know, I just truly enjoy the Inky List Niacinamide Serum. First of all, it's very hydrating. It's actually, in my opinion, one of the most hydrating niacinamides in my personal opinion. It's gentle on the skin. I actually had way better results with this niacinamide as opposed to The Ordinary's product, and there was no foaming with this product. This is literally like a creamy, milky niacinamide serum, and I just don't understand why the Inky List Niacinamide Serum doesn't get as much hype as The Ordinary product does. But you know what? I feel it coming. That So Shundara is about to strike again. This product is about to pop. And if it doesn't pop, because I kind of feel like the skin craze is slowly dying down with, you know, people leaving quarantine. So since I feel like it's slowly beginning to fizzle out, it may not reach the height of popularity the way CeraVe did. But the Inky List Niacinamide Serum is something that I think a lot of people sleep on. I didn't get absolutely any flaking from this product. It is just really, it's like a way better version of The Ordinary's Niacinamide Serum in my opinion, especially for the price. Like, if you want to say battle for battle which one you should buy, I would really encourage you to buy the Inky List Niacinamide Serum as opposed to The Ordinary's Niacinamide Serum. It just wins overall. It's really an amazing product. The next dupe I want to talk about for The Ordinary's Niacinamide Serum is actually Good Molecules Niacinamide Serum. So let's say, you know, you have a skincare lover in your house, your mom, your dad, your brother, your sister, cousin, aunt, uncle, whoever, their skincare lover, and they have piles of Ordinary products up. You accidentally knock over The Ordinary's Niacinamide Serum. You go hide it. You just hide it because you know you're scared, you don't want to get in trouble, and you want to go and find another one, but it's sold out everywhere, and Macari is charging you like $40 to get it sent, and you don't want to pay $40. This is all you have to do. Get you the Good Molecules Niacinamide Serum. It's always in stock. I don't think you have to worry about it being sold out. Pour it into your skincare lovers Ordinary Niacinamide Serum. they would never tell the difference. This product is the exact same as this product. The only difference is this one, the packaging is a little better on this one. The glass, in my opinion, is a little cheaper. This is from Sonomi, testing them, you know, just dropping them all on the floor, and I have tile, and you know, this one cracked and this one did it. So when it comes to bottle performance and packaging, this one will hold this weight. This one won't, honey. I already got a crack and it's so slowly seeping out, but they will never tell the difference between the two. These two are one and the same when it comes to performance. You really can't tell the difference. This one foams up on you like the Ordinary product does. This one is a little bit tight on your skin like the Ordinary product does. This one also gives you just a little bit of flakiness just like the Ordinary product does. I mean, they are really interchangeable and one and the same. When it comes to performance, you cannot tell the difference. So if that ever happens to you, girl, just go ahead. Squeeze in here, squeeze in here. Don't worry about it. The person in your life will never tell the difference. The performance, in my opinion, is exactly the same for both of them. When I did use the Good Molecules product, I really could not tell the difference between this one and the Ordinary product. Honestly, over time, I got about the same results with the Niacinamide Good Molecules Serum as I did the Ordinary Serum. It's just the same product in my opinion. I really don't know the difference. It's good to have it on handy just in case you run out of the Ordinary's product, but it's really the same product. They're really twins. Different packaging, but they're twins. I'm saying, I kid you not. With that being said, you guys, I do have some honorable mentions I would like to talk about in this video that I think are important, but they're a little bit more controversial when it comes to niacinamide serums. The first one being Kose RX BHA Blackhead Power Liquid. I know you're like, wait, what? The fourth ingredient in this product is actually niacinamide. I know it's controversial, but if you are a person like me, you like a 2-for-1 deal, this is actually a twofer. It is an exfoliant as well as it does have niacinamide. Niacinamide is the fourth ingredient in this product, and I really like the fact that they didn't actually call this BHA Blackhead and Niacinamide Power Liquid, because they could have did that due to the fact that niacinamide is the fourth ingredient in this product. So if you like a 2-for deal, I think you would really enjoy this product. I do want to talk about a little bit of the controversy around this product. BHA in America here is considered silicic acid. That is banned in Korea. So they do use the alternative ingredient for BHA, which is betaine salicylate. So it's not silicic acid, it's betaine salicylate. So that's just a total different ingredient than silicic acid here in America. So it can be mixed with niacinamide without a problem. It is not silicic acid. It's a total different ingredient. It has the same performance as silicic acid on the lower level, but it's not. So if you're just looking for a 2-for-1 product, I think you would enjoy Kose RX BHA Blackhead Power Liquid. And I like the fact that they didn't say niacinamide either, and it's the fourth ingredient. I guess they just said, let's sprinkle a little niacinamide in there for you. So the next dupe we are going to talk about is a little bit controversial in my opinion. Some people are for it, some people aren't. I am for it, so that's why I want to mention it as a, an honorable mention. Actually, the Ordinary's niacinamide powder. I know a lot of you skincare nerds and skincare enthusiasts are in an uproar, but as a person who started formulating cosmetics and doing DIY skincare on a homemade level, I see nothing wrong with this powder. This is actually going to be helpful for people who do DIY skincare on a homemade level and who actually sell skincare. Honestly, I really don't see anything wrong with this powder, you guys. I don't know why people are in an uproar about it, but that's because I've always made skincare at a homemade level. I mean, honestly, what you can do with this powder, there's so many things you could do with this powder. I mean, you could make soap, you could make face masks, like you could literally make a niacinamide face mask with this product. Like, this is an amazing product, and you could sell it in dry form. You don't necessarily necessarily need to sell it in the liquid form to make a face mask with it. Depending on how many percentages you want in it, you are going to have to get a scale to weigh out the amount of powder you want to get the right percentage in your cosmetic formulation of DIY skincare. But honestly, let's just say, you know, off the top of my head, I'm going to say you weigh out about a teaspoon, maybe 2 teaspoons of powder. What you could do is water it down with some distilled water, add a preservative. Preservatives are in skincare to help the product from getting any type of bacteria, mold, and fungi. And add it to hyaluronic acid. Like literally you could add it to like the Ordinary's. I have a spray, but you go add it to the Ordinary's hyaluronic acid, and that could be like your niacinamide plus hyaluronic acid product. I mean, there are so many things you can do with this niacinamide powder. So I personally don't see anything wrong with it. That's just my opinion. I think it's a wonderful product, and it probably will be popular in a lot of cosmetic skincare DIYs on a homemade level, because there are so many cosmetic formulators out there. I mean, you could go look at Etsy and they probably selling niacinamide face masks, niacinamide scrubs as we speak, thanks to the Ordinary's niacinamide powder. I'm just saying, I think it is an amazing product. I can feel the dislikes coming, but there are a lot of cosmetic formulators on a handmade level that do skincare, and they do amazing jobs. That is all I'm going to say. And the niacinamide powder from The Ordinary is going to help them a lot. With that being said, you guys, let me know all your thoughts in the comments down below. I want to thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Make sure you thumbs up this video, and make sure you're following me on all my social media sites. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in our next video. Bye, you guys. Mwah.